So hello YouTube, it's me Priyank, and in this video we are going to talk about 3D printers. So in case you don't know about this channel, then we upload regularly, we upload 2 videos, and we try to explain terms and we try to give some examples to explain some terms. So in today's video we are going to talk about 3D printers, and I still remember in my days, back in those days where when I was in college or in school, I still remember the printing charges here in my locality in India were like 5 rupees. That is like 70 rupees is $1, so you can actually calculate. So that were quite high, and right now we have the prices ranging from around 0.5 rupees per print. So that was like the black and white kind of print and the color print. Now we have 3D prints available, and in this video we are going to talk about 3D printers. And back then normal printers were costlier, and we had to pay somewhere around $100 to $150 to buy a printer. Right now we have printers ranging from somewhere between $10 and $20. So this is the difference, the evolution of printers. Now let's talk about 3D printers. So what are 3D printers? So usually what happens is, whenever you are printing, the print is on a normal printer, the print comes out to be on a paper, whereas in 3D printer you can actually print 3D objects like your phone case and stuff like that. And there are times when buildings are printed using 3D printer, and they are much more efficient, they are faster, and they are quick. You can actually model, you can create a 3D model which you can use to print a 3D object. So can we actually print a 3D printer using a 3D printer? The answer is no, because 3D printers use materials, and there are specific materials available for specific printers. So there are printers which print using PVC and PVC plastic. So basically a line, a thin rope kind of thing is added to the printer, and the printer starts melting it. The PVC thin pipe is added, the printer starts melting it, and the pipe is actually used to manufacture. And the type of manufacturing here is additive manufacturing. Let's try to understand what is additive and subtractive manufacturing. So usually in additive manufacturing, what is done is, basically things or layers are added one by one. So in case you have seen a notebook, and if you have seen a page is quite thin, and you cannot consider it as a notebook or as a thick 3D object. But when you combine such pages like 200 or 300 pages, you get a notebook which is a 3D object. So similar to that, similar concept is used to actually print 3D objects. Basically many thin layers are combined to print 3D objects. And now depending on the material used to print, there are various printers available, and we have printers that actually print buildings, and even printers which actually print using metal. So you can create various things, you can create 3D objects. And what are the advantages? Yes, we have tons of advantages. You can actually create a custom model. So in case you cannot find a phone's case, or if you have a 3D object which is required a machinery, a part of a machine of a certain caliber or some lever or something like that, you can actually design it in 3D and print. And there are models available. So what are the disadvantages? The main disadvantage is, anyone can actually print a gun. So the 3D model of printing a gun is available, and anyone can download it and try printing it using a PVC printer. So this is quite a threat for the future. But right now, in case you are watching this video till here, then I think you like this channel and you like the video. So you should hit the like button, you should subscribe, you can press the bell icon so you get notifications as soon as I upload new videos. By the way, again, it's me Priyank Gada, and we upload 2 videos regularly. Do check the description. If you want to ask some terms, you can comment them down below, or you can ask it via our application which is available on Play Store. So again, it's me Priyank Gada signing off.